Blessed Monday. Blessed Monday. How is everyone doing today, guys? I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, people. You see me? Hoping to get some rest and come back ready for the week and thing. So bless upon yourself. We're coming to the end of July and we're heading to August. You see me? But on a serious level, guys, put fun and joke aside. Like the video, share the video, and leave your thought down below. Now, people, this is very, very serious, and I'm talking about your Majesty KRIS, because somebody called him last night and I sent him on threat. I mean, I say, yo, this is what social media gone to. We can't run to a joke, we can't have an argument and then that's it. We have to call people and I send threat to them. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. It's not that serious. It's not that serious on social media. That's why when I hear Daniel talk and I say, boy, too much big people in a phone and a cause mix up, and also the followers them, and them are the one who carry the news to the platform order. We can swear she talk about people. Now last night KRIS there me had the people. You know, say they had their phone ring, you gotta answer your phone. Apparently him say a private number. So him did not answer the first time. Now him answer the second time. When the phone ring the second time, he answered it. And then the person said to him, say, it means a Kingston 13 pay you. And I'm like, what? This is what social media gone to. Ashanti and Kingston 30 have them differences. And you mean for them it a spoil over in a KRIS getting call? Minister KRIS and mix up with nobody. Talk to people. Minister KRIS mix up with nobody. See me? From a company social media, I know KRIS of being a mix-up person. And I'm being very honest, people. See me? Otherwise, I'm hearing T-girl call up him name about cake and all them kind of madness there. And I'm saying to myself, say, KRIS is somebody, when you go for him come back for you. See me? He say I can report it. And I agree with him. Him to report it because them things, you can't them things like it. Because you see some people, you know what them intention. You see me? That's one in my opinion say it's almost like somebody have to get hurt. Not this before everything at all change. You see me? It's like somebody have to get hurt. Repeat myself again, people. But come on now. Come on now. Who would I want to do something like this? Who would I want to do something like this? Something stupid like this. Why you send threat to the man? Where the man not doing nothing at all. Only just jealous and bad mind. I only want have if say people that pay people. I see him so said that I pay me and pay other vloggers for different hour. You see me? I saw him say, I see there now. You'll be so surprised. He's a supporter of a particular platform. I call in and I call the man phone and I send shit. Me I say, yo, come on, man. This is what social media gone to. It gone to the dog. Because no matter how me and somebody have something on social media, me nah call them phone and say certain things to them. See me? Me nah say certain things to them because this a petty thing. See me? This a baby thing. But guess what? Them big people in the phone, them are the one that cause the problem on social media. Them are the one that spread the news and spread the gossip. You see me? Them are the one where take things serious, because if 13 come out, and address Ashanti and talk about things them and say certain things. See me? Ashanti also address 13 and talk up for him side. Ashanti also talk up some things about KRIS. Me not think the platform order me no harm in terms of sending a threat. You see me? No, come on, man. Come on, people. Think about this. When you say, I be mad people upon social media right now. It get out of hand right now. It get out of hand, and this is too much. This is too much going on right about now. Because guess what, man? Now the man that deserve this. The man have him family for live. Him have him social media friend them who want him communicate with, and it took away for no say, yo, you're not trouble people. You know, involved in the mix up regarding Ashanti and 13. I hate to say name I call. I will know say 13 respect KRIS to the fullest. She respect him. She showed him thing them and she just love him. You see me? whether I'm A, B, or C, or D, whether I'm from this community or not, she just love him, and I know she love him a long time. But you see them people here, once them see or support a particular person, them a feel say you get paid from them. You see me? Them feel say yo, money around, and that's why you do certain things. Because guess something, them cannot believe say all these years 13 I support Chris and still support him up to this time. You see me? But I tell you, some of them people, their mind dirty and corrupt. And if they get a chance to hurt you, they will do it. They will hurt you. They will damage you. See me? No love on social media. You can't do yard sometime in peace. People are ring off your phone. People are text you and I tell you all kind of things. You see me? And some of them platform all your people. Enough people send them message on a daily basis and tell them, say, yo, you know, say so and so I talk this about you. And then the mix up and drama continue. But come on, Chris not deserve this. You see me? Matter of fact, nobody at all deserve this. Because if me have issues, I'm a burn you out on social media. As long as me not send nobody come here to come hurt you, nothing at all. I think say nothing at all should have been serious. Because we're free for talk what we want to talk. So if me want to come out and cuss somebody people, I'm free for doing what I want to do. See me? As long as me not take it in a violence way. As long as me express myself in a way in which me tell you say where you do wrong. I mean, I express myself. Me now go tell you say so and so and so and so. Because we know say when you feel hurt, you go want to say the most hurtful thing to somebody, especially when them step on your can. You go want to go after them. You see me? But me I say, yo, I want to them people up on social media. What happened to them? Why them decide for call the man? The man want to make them sleep with him partner where you want anything at all no want to say. See me? If you want to love a man or woman and a phone business, see me? Me not support the man or man thing, but guess something? I feel him think that. And if I that when I hate him for thing, something wrong with you know. See me? Typical Jamaican thing. We can't see where we come from and say, but no send that threat to the man phone. Don't do that something there. See me? Not do that something there. It not look good. See me? I don't know why the mix up I get extreme and it seems as if it go towards somebody getting hurt. Oh, no, come on, man. No call nobody phone with them things, them man. Because guess something, you don't want somebody call your family and say certain things to them. Talk truth. So why you don't want to call somebody family? I feel them mean it. See me? I feel I get him coward and timid and thing. Not do that thing there. Don't do it. Don't do it. You know good. It's better save your credit. And they'll make it even worse too. Your private number. Since you decide to your BAD or your T or your tough, you know, come show your number because see your number from our trace the number. You hide the number because you don't want nobody to see because they might call you back. Boy. May I tell you, all the people stay on social media. Every little thing I tell them do, them tend for one come out from people when I do them not time. I said to myself, what want to get from this? What you want to get from this attacking Chris? You see me? Come on, man. Come on. That's why peace can't be on social media, because everybody for themselves. You see me? And if somebody not trouble you, you always want to trouble them. You see me? Because see it there? Chris now have nothing to do with Ashanti and 13 drama. You see me? But we all know so Chris name would have been called up in this already. Because I say Ashanti and Chris stand up on good terms. And a regular Ashanti company live and disrespect Chris. You see me? But 13 name have to do with this. What 13 have to do with this? Only know so people get paid. Only say receipt. We want to have as evidence because I'm not talking, you know. I want to say this and I say that. And there's no evidence, nothing to show, nothing to prove. You can't just call a person and say what you want to say and so it go. You see me? And so it go and thing. You can't just call somebody and I tell them say Ray and Ray. No. But just tell you, people say, yo, this is what social media gone to, man. Be a mad people out here. You see me? Nobody have no love again like one time. If me have something and you see certain things I don't like, me I go after you. I'm going to go after your whole your family them. Because you say something to hurt my feelings and I don't like it. And I say, yo, why we can't do things on a different level on social media? Remember the people, Ashanti did apologize to KRIS, you know, and then now, couple years back now, him a burn a fire upon him. I mean, I say, yo, remember you did apologize to him, so why you burn a fire upon him? But people, we can leave it here, so yeah, guys, you know, I can say about this and thing. What in a dark must come to light. You see me? Today for me, tomorrow for you. So guys, best of yourself here, guys, and thanks for like the video.